Welcome to our channel, where big data meets big ideas. Today, we are stepping into the future of distributed computing. This is a deep dive into how Apache Spark 4.0, released by Databricks, takes a bold leap beyond Spark 3. We will explore what is new, what has changed, and why Spark 4 might just redefine how your data pipelines run at scale. For years, Spark 3 has powered everything from streaming analytics to large-scale machine learning, and it has done a solid job. But the world of data is evolving fast, demanding more agility, deeper integration with AI, and higher performance. Spark 4.0 is not just an update, it is a reinvention. So buckle up as we break it down. One of the most exciting introductions in Spark 4 is Spark Connect. Think of it as Spark's way of finally embracing modern client-server architecture. Instead of running everything from a heavy Spark driver, Spark Connect lets developers write Spark code in lightweight clients, be it from a Jupyter notebook, VS Code, or even a mobile device, while the actual execution happens remotely on the cluster. This decouples development from deployment, boosting flexibility, and enabling developers to code in Python, Go, or even R, without worrying about Java virtual machine bindings. Streaming in Spark 3 was solid, but state management could get clunky in complex workflows. Spark 4 introduces arbitrary stateful processing v2. This enables advanced use cases like fraud detection and session tracking with greater accuracy and performance. With support for custom stateful logic, timeouts, and built-in eviction policies, Spark 4 lets you manage application state more intuitively and reliably. Raise your hand if you have ever been frustrated by Spark's relaxed SQL behavior. Spark 3 offered flexibility, but sometimes at the cost of data integrity. Spark 4 flips the switch to ANSI SQL mode by default. That means if your query includes division by zero, or type mismatches, Spark will throw an error, just like a traditional SQL database. This leads to better data discipline, and fewer surprises in production. For all the Pythonistas out there, Spark 4 brings joy with Python data source APIs. You can now create custom data sources, and syncs entirely in Python. In Spark 3, this would have required Scala, or Java. This opens the door for fast prototyping, and greater extensibility in Python-based pipelines. Let us talk speed. Spark 4 incorporates enhancements to the Catalyst Optimizer, and Adaptive Query Execution, AQE. These smart optimizations mean Spark is now more responsive to changing data volumes, and distributions. Benchmarks show up to 30% faster performance on industry-standard queries like TP-CDS. That means your batch jobs complete sooner, and your insights arrive faster. If you are using Delta Lake, Spark 4 offers tighter integration with Delta Lake 4.0. This includes support for liquid clustering, a revolutionary way of dynamically organizing data based on actual query patterns instead of fixed partitions. This leads to up to 12x faster reads, and massively reduced storage overhead. It is a game-changer for high-performance analytics at scale. Now, if you are wondering whether Spark 4 will break your Spark 3 pipelines, the answer is, possibly. The shift to ANSI SQL mode, changes in APIs, and new defaults mean you will want to test your jobs thoroughly before migrating. But for teams focused on future-proofing their architecture, Spark 4 is worth the upgrade. To summarize, Spark 3 was a performance powerhouse. But Spark 4 is a modern data platform. With Spark Connect, enhanced SQL handling, better streaming state management, and Delta Lake 4 integration, Spark 4 sets a new standard for what is possible with open-source big data tools. If you are serious about analytics, machine learning, or real-time data engineering, then Spark 4 is not just a version bump, it is your launchpad for the next generation of data innovation. Be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Until next time, keep your data blazing fast,